Hey everyone, today I'm on one of the very best 21-foot center consoles built in the entire world. It's the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. I'm sitting at the helm. Of course, we optioned it with the Simrad display. Of course, we did the JL audio sound system on it, and we have the 200 horsepower Mercury with digital throttle and shift. Active trim built into the binnacle of this boat. This boat is absolutely amazing. 8-foot 6-inch beam, 21-foot length overall. You have jump seats in the back, so we optioned it with the fore and aft seating. Seats right here, just hanging out. I like the high rails on the back. Gives somewhere to grab onto. If you want to put extra rod holders, you can. On both sides, you can hang a flag from right there if you wanted to. You do have a ladder back there on the swim platform, which is super awesome. And of course, we did the upgraded leaning post with the live well built in, and you have storage for hooks, knives, scissors, things like that right there. Moving forward, like I said, we have the bow seating package. Check this out. You sit down. If you want to lay out, you can. Your wife wants to. You have the backrests, which are removable. You can use those for rod holders. Look at this cool idea of Boston Whaler built-in integrated cup holders into the cushions, so you can never have enough cup holders, right? Under these seats you have a anchor locker right here. You have a locker right here, which is insulated. That will hold ice all day long. I know that from personal experience. We have the upgraded Yeti console cooler right here. With a cushion for the backrest. We can option this boat. If you wanted to add a trolling motor, we can absolutely do that. If you wanted to add power poles, jack plates, whatever you can think of, we can do it. If not a ski tow pylon back there, we can do that too, because this is a literally do-it-all 21-foot Boston Whaler. If you guys have any questions, feel free to stop by or give me a call. Again, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. My number is 936-223-6770.